Not every company have an employee directory. However, those who do benefit from the productivity that comes along with having a unique employee directory. Imagine a unique page that contains the contact details of all the people in your organization. In it, you'll find a list of names and areas of expertise. So whenever you want something done, you can find the right person for the job in a matter of minutes. Our goal in this lesson is to create an employee directory page from scratch using Adobe XD, HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. First, we'll create the user interface on Adobe XD. When done with design, we'll use HTML5 to build our project structure. At some point, we'll add the CSS styling by making sure it appears nicely on almost every screen sizes. And finally, we'll add JavaScript functions that will respond to user searches and events. So, see you in the following video.